All right, so now we're going to look at bone development because bones are constantly changing throughout our lifetime. And part of understanding how they're going to change and the physiology of that process is understanding how they develop from the beginning. So, first of all, a couple of terms. Ossification or osteogenesis are both terms that are going to mean the formation of bone. There are two types of bone development, or two methods by which this can occur. There's intramembranous ossification, and there's endochondral ossification. And so a couple of things that you can think about as we go through these that might help you remember them is look at kind of the roots of the words. So intramembranous, inside is intra, membranous, inside the membrane, ossification, bone formation, okay? So inside of a membrane, formation of bone, and then there's endochondral, outside of cartilage, ossification. We'll look at each of these, but maybe that can help you remember how each of these occurs or how both of these methods work. So ossification, again, the formation of bone. Basically, it's formed during fetal development and then it's remodeled. It becomes that lamellar, concentric, weight-bearing tissue. Intramembranous, again, inside a membrane. It actually, by definition, takes place, it's an ossification or bone formation that takes place inside of connective tissue membranes, inside the membrane. This type of ossification is going to form our flat bones, what we've talked about before, the skull, the mandible, the clavicles, the sternum. Endochondral ossification inside the cartilage. So this is going to take place in cartilage, chondro, remember? This is why I refer to these roots all the time, because the roots of these words really mean something. That's how the names came about, because they were describing what was actually going on. So the endochondral ossification occurs in most of the skeletal system. It's going to require cartilage, hence the endochondral. So a cartilage bone basically forms by replacing hyaline cartilage. So in endochondral, you're going to start out with a hyaline cartilage model, and that will be broken down and then ossified or becomes bone, turned into bone.